even children can make at home. So let's start.
These are some of the items. This is cornstarch.
This cornstarch is made at home. In the next video, we will show you how to make this cornstarch. So please stay tuned.
This is tomato, mint leaf, cucumber, grapes, banana, Nutella, and mango biscuits and bread.
Biscuit snack is ready.
So let's go to the next snack. Healthy snacks. So please try it at home.
And also give your valuable feedbacks in our comment sections. Thank you. See you later. Bye.